Vicious, come down. Get off of me. Vicious. Vicious. I am relaxing and Vicious come on me. Vicious. Hello. Vicious. Get off. Vicious. I said to get down. Vicious, get down. Why you can't hear? Hello. Vish. Vicious. Hello. Who am I talking to? Myself? Vicious. I come outside to relax and watch the cool breeze and look down at the sea and feel good. And this dog come and lay down on me and decide that he won't come up. Vicious, get off. Get off. Get off, my friend. Get off. What I said? Get down. Vicious, he is no boring. Mister, get down. What is so hard in getting down? Vicious, get down. Get down. Vish. Vicious. Hello. May I talk to you? Come off. I know your name, sir. Get. I'm gonna slap you. Get down. Get. Mister, get down. Get down. Mister, come off. Get off. Vish. Get. I'm gonna use this. Get down. Use this on you. Get down. Mighty God of Daniel, what I'm going to do to this dog that is hard of hearing. I don't think this dog can hear him fixing himself to lay down. Vicious, seriously? Alright, tell you what, I'm going to leave you in it, or I'm going to turn it over with you in it. If you won't get up. Come out! Vicious. You just feel comfortable. You see this? Mighty God, what is wrong with Vicious? Hi, cutie. No, don't come back. You're too rude.